Hi lovely people, thanks for joining me here today at Heart Joy Crochet. My name's Jill and today you'll be learning how to change yarn colours at the end of your row. Today you'll need a swatch of crochet. I've done single crochets. You're going to need another ball of yarn of a different colour, and you're going to need some scissors and your crochet hook. Okay, so now I've done a few single crochets near into the middle. Put my crochet hook in. I'm going to do another single crochet, but I'm not going to finish it. I'm just going to keep it like that with 2 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to place my work down. I'm going to get my other colour. I'm going to make that into a loop with a nice long end here. Hold the loop between my thumb and forefinger. Place it onto the hook and then pull it through the 2 loops. So now try and pull your existing wool. Try and get that new wool into place and then pull the thread end here so it's nice and tight, nice and snug. So what we want to do now is cut our old wool, leaving quite a bit to weave in the end. So put that yarn tail, the blue yarn tail and the brown yarn tail toward the back, and then we'll keep crocheting. It's looking a little bit loose there, so we'll just pull that end. Pull it a little bit tighter so it's a little bit neater. So you can see these 2 yarn ends. We're going to just weave them in later. If you're not sure how to weave in ends, I've got a tutorial on that which I'll post in the description. So just keep going. And that's it. You've successfully changed colours. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it an up thumb if you liked it and consider subscribing to Heart Joy Crochet. I have a host of other beginner crochet tutorials on my channel listed to the right hand side that would definitely be useful to you if you're a beginner. I'll see you next time.